The whole issue of immigration, for me, has gotten sort of out of control. And this is another thing where I point to Jim Himes and Murphy and these other guys. Again, they had 2 years down there with the president, Democratic president, Democratic Senate, Democratic House. They could have passed any immigration reform they wanted. They didn't do a damn thing. So again, to say these guys are stopping us, stop the politics and start talking about people. They didn't do it either. They didn't do it either. What I want to see is a stand for the folks who are here now is a stand up, stand out approach. If you're here illegally, because most folks who get here illegally, most are here, they overstay their visa. Most. I mean, there are people sneaking across the border. We got that. But if you're here illegally, you stand up and you stand out. You say, I'm here. You sign the guest book, so to speak. You pay your taxes. You get in the back of the line. You pay a fine, small. Maybe you can even waive the fine because you have broken the law. I think it's just a fairness issue. And you get in the back of the line. So here's what happens. So the bad guys that are here illegally, if they don't stand up and stand out, then you deport those folks. Or if folks do stand up and stand out, but then they become bad guys, we know where they are. Then you deport those folks. But the 11-ish, 12-ish million people who are here, was it 90-something% of them are going to, if they're not already, they're going to be productive, members of our society. We are a nation of immigrants. We celebrate that. We build on that. That's who we are. So we celebrate immigration. We celebrate immigrants. But by standing up and standing out and then getting people, A, on a list, B, in the back of the line, and C, to say, all right, I'm here, I'm sorry, well, then you actually find out who the good people are and who the bad people are. Most of them are good. Vast majority are people we want in our society. Paying taxes, holding jobs, having driver's license, doing the things that we need to do as Americans. So that's how you fix the problem.